Feeling a little uneasy about online banks? Are high-yield savings accounts really as fee-free as they claim? Specifically, does Bread Savings charge hidden fees that will secretly eat away at your interest? It's a valid concern. When you're chasing the best APY, the last thing you want is a surprise monthly charge turning a great rate into a mediocre one. That's why we're going straight to the source to find out exactly what your money is up against at Bread Savings. First, the great news: Bread Savings is generally known for its very transparent fee structure. For their high-yield savings accounts, you will not be hit with the two most common bank charges, a monthly maintenance fee and a minimum balance fee. That's right, 0 monthly fees and no penalty for dipping below the initial opening balance. That is a huge green flag for keeping your hard-earned interest intact. They also offer free incoming wire transfers and unlimited mobile check deposits. So, where are the fees? Well, they're mostly for optional, non-standard services, and they are clearly disclosed. Think of them more as transaction costs than hidden charges. For example, if you request a physical paper statement, there is a small fee. Online statements, however, are completely free. If you need a certified official check, that will come with a fee. And the one that catches people sometimes, if you want to send an outgoing wire transfer, that will incur a charge. The good news is you can usually avoid this by using the free automated clearinghouse, or ACH, transfer method. So, to answer the main question, no, Bread Savings does not charge hidden fees. They don't have those sneaky monthly fees that suddenly appear. The few fees they do have are clearly outlined for specific services, most of which you can easily avoid by using the free online alternatives. It's all about knowing the rules of the road. Before opening any account, always check the current fee schedule, but rest assured that Bread Savings' core offering is built around competitive rates and genuine fee transparency. If this breakdown helped put your mind at ease, give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions about online bank fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.